Hi everyone, welcome to Korea Fun. My name is Maria and today I'll be drawing a beautiful unicorn. Please subscribe to our channel so we can do more artwork together. Let's start. Grab your pencil and we're gonna do a nice oval like right here. And that's gonna be the head of our unicorn. That's good. Like underneath here, we're gonna do a bigger oval. That's gonna be the body. That's great. Now let's connect those together. It's gonna be the neck. That's good. Now let's add a nose here. And of course, a nice eye. You can do the eye closed or open. You decide. And since it's a unicorn, of course, we need a horn. So did like a triangle. Let's add the ears. Now it's time to do the beautiful hair. That's great. Now you can decide if you want your unicorn like jumping or just standing. Mine will be standing. So from here, I'm gonna add a leg. Now this one, I'm gonna angle it a little bit. That's good. Now let's add two more and try them so they're the same size. That's great. Now it's time to do a beautiful tail, and I'm gonna start from here. It's gonna be very long, like rainbow tail. So I want to start from here, and then it's gonna end here with like a nice curve. That's beautiful, like this. That's great. Look at that. Okay, that's good. Now put your pencil aside. Actually, let's erase a few lines. So we can erase this one here, the one that connected the head with the neck, and now the neck with the body. So we just need to erase this one here. Let's erase this one here and this one. Very nice. Now grab your marker and let's outline. And you can either outline the cheek or leave it like just done with the pencil. You decide. Beautiful. And we can add a few lines. That's good. Now grab the pencil again, and actually I forgot to do one line here. That's good. Now grab the pencil again, and we're gonna add lines here. And each line is going to be a different color later on. So that's good. And here, grab your marker again. You can add a line here. And here you can do, if you want, like small circles just to decorate it. You can do hearts or stars. Think how you want to do it. That's beautiful. And let's start coloring it. So grab a nice pink, and we can do the cheek right away. You can gonna do that piece of hair pink, but you can decide what color you want it because there's no right or wrong, so you can use any color you want. I'm gonna use yellow for the horn. Maybe you have like a different tone that you want to use, and please do that. That's beautiful. Next one, I'm gonna use orange. There you go. And if you have a few lines that you can still see, you can erase them at any time. So I'm gonna just erase this one. That's good. The next one that I want to use will be like a nice blue tone. Let's see which one I want to use. It's one of my favorite colors there. Now the next one I'm going to use dark tone, like dark blue. Yellow again. And I'll use pink. That's beautiful, so colorful. Now let's do the ears. I'm gonna do here bottom of the legs. I'm gonna use like a dark purple, dark pink you can use, or any other color if you want. And I'm gonna use yellow here. That's so cute. And now it's time to do our rainbow tail. Look at that. Wonderful. Now let's use our bright pink. That's nice. Next one that I want to use will be blue. But as I said, like use your colors that you want. Look at that, so colorful. Now the one that I want to use right after it will be orange. That's great. Let's do purple next. Let's do bright blue. Wonderful. Now I'm gonna add like a few more lines here. Then you can decide how many you want. Maybe there's gonna be just a few. You can add, as I said, like circles, hearts, so many different things. And like our unicorn is done. If you want, let's add like a nice background to it. So we can add like stars or just lions. I'm gonna add like a few stars here and there. So right here on top. Lovely. Let's do one really big one here. That's so cute. That's nice. And here we can even add like a nice splash of color, how I call it. Can do in here. That's beautiful. Okay, let's color those. So I'm gonna do the stars yellow. Beautiful. Now let's do those colorful spots. That's good. And now we can add a few circles here and there, and they can be different colors, so you pick your favorite one. So everything is so colorful and beautiful. Wonderful, and our unicorn is done. Guys, thank you so much for doing this project with me. Please subscribe to our channel so we can do more artwork together. Thank you, guys.